Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Sneha and welcome back to another episode of our Trying Influencers slash YouTubers brands series. In case this is the first video that you're watching from the series, basically in this series we try out brands and products from YouTubers. We put them to test and see if they are worth the hype and if you should spend your coins on them or not. I have done a lot of episodes in the past. I've tried Himadri's brand, Mridul's brand, Malvika's brand and a lot more. I'm gonna leave all of the episodes and also the playlist in the description box below, also the I section, so make sure that you check it out because you can't miss that. So for today's episode, I am trying a collaboration more so than trying a brand. Yes, I'm trying the PAC X Sarahsarosh Beyond Dreams collection. I am so excited, so let's dive into it. So if you don't know, I'm just going to be briefing you guys a little bit about the brand and also about Sarahsarosh. So I love Sarahsarosh. In case you don't know who she is an entrepreneur. She is also an influencer, a YouTuber. I love her. She's such a visionary and I love her concepts. She also has a coffee brand which is called Impulse Coffees. Do let me know if you want me to review that as well. Let's set that up for another video. But I love her as a person. I've seen her work hard every single day. So I was so excited to try this collection because PAC and working with PAC is a big thing. So her collection is called Beyond Dreams, which is something that I love. I really like the name. It's just about, you working hard towards your dreams and achieving it. And it has such a dreamy feeling, honestly. So first, as always, let's talk about the website. Now, since this is not a brand, this is actually a collaboration, a collection. So we're going to be talking about the pop-ups. So the collection is available on Nykaa, Tira, Amazon and also on the PAC's official website. I really like the pop-ups and also let's talk about the conceptual videos that they have created. Honestly, I really love them. The way that they have such strong vision to it, it's so aesthetically pleasing and Sarah is looking so gorgeous, right? I really like how they've marketed their collection and it is selling out so fast. I really love, especially like the pop-up on Tira is so beautiful. She has a front web page pop-up on Tira and I really liked it because when you see pop-ups, you actually, look at the products. And I love how they have Sarah's picture along with the products. So not only are you seeing her as like the main person who is handling this entire collaboration, and at the same time, you're also seeing the products that are in the collection. So if I'm not wrong, this collection has 3 main products. The first is a dewy blush. The second is a hydrating skin mist. And the third one is a brush set. You can also purchase the entire collection as a whole. There is a particular box for that as well. And if you want to buy products individually, you also have an option for that, which is something that I really like because a lot of times you want to buy the entire thing. So they also have a section where you can buy the entire collection all at once. Like you don't need to put everything in cart one by one. There is a specific collection box for you. Now let's talk about what product have I ordered, okay? So first of everything, I want to say that the collection is working so well. It's a success for sure. Every single product is selling out so fast. I wanted to buy the entire collection, but I couldn't because everything is going out of stock in the blink of an eye. After watching this video, you really have to run and place your orders. Now, luckily, I have managed to buy one product out of the entire 3 product collection. Today we're going to be talking about her liquid blush. Let's talk about the packaging, the product. Let's apply it. As you can see, I'm not wearing the blush right now. So we're going to be doing like a real-time application to complete my makeup. So first let's talk about the product and the packaging. So I have ordered PAC X Sarah's Dewy Liquid Blush in the shade Fudge Me Not. Now there are 2 shades in this range. One is called Fudge Me Not, which I have ordered, and the other one is called Turkish Delight. Let's quickly unbox this together. This is perfection, you all. God, just look at the packaging. We really need a moment to appreciate the packaging here. It's so beautiful. Just look at it. It's actually holographic, which is something that I really like. I really like how the packaging is premium. So once you see the product, you're instantly like, this is very high end. On the other hand, it's not that expensive. So this gives very expensive vibes. I really like the quality of the packaging. I also really like how, there is a PAC sign on the top. And they've also given equal appreciation to Sara by writing her name right here. So it's so beautiful. They've literally written PAC X Sara. Sara. It's a dream come true, you know. And also they've mentioned the shade at the bottom, so everything is perfection. Look at that applicator. Honestly, it gives me very rare beauty blush vibes. I really like it. Now is the time for the most interesting segment, which is actually applying it. I'm so excited. This is going to be my first time applying this as well. And yeah, let's try it out. Also, before we start, I really like the name Fudge Me Not. So if you don't know, Sarah's pet's name is Fudge. So this gives me very personalized vibes that way. And I really like it for that, how she's customized the name of the shades as well. Now let's quickly apply it. I'm going to be applying it on one side of my cheek just to see the difference. So I don't know how the pigmentation is. So I'm just going to be applying like a dot or like 2 dots on one side. Okay, this definitely looks like it's very pigmented. I really hope I have not used a lot. Let's quickly blend this out. Okay, I definitely need to blend this well. Look at that. It looks so natural yet so beautiful. I'm definitely going to be applying it on 2 sides because I look crazy right now. But just look at it. It looks so beautiful. I really like the pigmentation. It's very coral. It's not pink. It's a coral kind of shade. Let's apply it on the other cheek as well and then we'll see the final look. I'm also going to be blending like a little bit on my nose as well, just to create a sun-kissed kind of look. So this is how it looks. I really like this blush. One thing which I have to tell you guys about this is that I really like the formulation of the product. It blends so easily. At the same time, it looks so beautiful. Like, just look at it. I feel like its pigmentation is very similar to Rare Beauty's. So you really need to apply very less. Like, try to use 1 dot or less and you're good to go. It gives very sun-kissed vibes and I'm here for it. Like, the packaging matches perfectly with the blush and I am impressed, you all. I'm definitely going to be rating this product a 4.5. If you want to buy a good blush, you can definitely invest in this one because this is chef's kiss. So this product retails for $7.95 for 4 grams of the product, and I feel like it's on the affordable side because when I think about PAC, I always think about products that are very high end. So I really like the fact that she's kept it affordable as well. It's in the drugstore range. And if you ask me about my final review about the PAC x Sara's collection collaboration, I would say that I honestly love it. The concept is amazing. The vision is amazing. The way that they've advertised their products is amazing. I really like the pop-ups and the way that, you know, all of the products are so useful. I really like the fact that she's not, you know, created products that aren't of any use, you know, the products that, you know, are very additional. So for example, she's kept a brush set in her collection, which is so amazing because we all are always looking for like a good brush set. Blushes are something that we love. At the same time, a hydrating skin mist is very essential and creates a base for your overall makeup. So I really like how the products are very, I would say, important, and at the same time these products are something that we all need. So I really like how products are consumer specified. She knows the needs of the consumers, what they need to buy, what they might be looking for, and I love it way that these shades have been created. So this shade will look good on every single skin tone, which is something that I really like. It looks so beautiful, and at the same time this is not something that, you know, is just for one time use. You can use it repeatedly. It can be worn to a lot of different occasions. Overall, I would give this collection a solid thumbs up. I would recommend you guys, you can go and check the collection out. It's available on Tira, Amazon, Nykaa and PAC's official website. Kudos to Sara for this beautiful collaboration. Looking forward to more such products. Do let me know in the comment section below whose brand or collection should I try next. I would love to do that. Yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Take care of yourselves. Stay happy, stay healthy. I'll leave the link to these products in the description box below, and yeah, goodbye.